Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to check the capacitor. So these are the steps on how to check it. Also, shout out to Bunt. He got me these nice boots. These joints hard, waterproof, carbon toe. Let's go. Alright guys, so first you're going to change your meter and make sure you put it on NF. So I got to hit it again. It's on NF. Turn your light on. Make sure your probes are in. So then you take it out. So he's good to know which colors go on which terminals. You got Herm, and you got Common, and you got Fan. So what you would do is you're going Common to Herm, which I'm getting, hold up, 42.53. Okay. And then you go Common to Fan, which I'm getting 2.9, and this is rated for 45/5. So going off my results, I will consider this a good capacitor. You know, it was only off by a little bit, so I should be good. So that is how you check your capacitor. Anybody wanted to know, that's how you would do it. Alright, nigga,